Hey everyone, welcome back to Chris Does Crypto. Fantastic to have you back with me for another video. And we're going to be talking about Cardano. We're going to be talking about the fact that I expect Cardano to do phenomenally well in this bull run. Look, there's a lot of FUD out there, but I think Cardano will shock many people. I think that this is a project that is going to go on to do very, very well. You can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below on that. But look, I wanted to talk about why I think Cardano is going to go on to do really well and give you some of the fundamental, I guess, indicators and I guess alpha on why Cardano is set to shock so many people. So look, before we get into the actual data and what I'm going to demonstrate to you, I kind of want to have a look at the most important indicators that indicate whether, an altcoin is going to print lots of gains. And I think this is something that will interest many people because a lot of people don't really know what it is that, does indicate potential gains in the future. So let's sort of dig through these, right? We've got market sentiment, right? Social media mentions, increase in discussion on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube signal growing interest. And it's something that a lot of people don't talk about. We've got Google Trends, a spike in search queries indicate that a coin could be gaining attention. Again, something that we need to be aware of, right? Then we've got the technical analysis. Nick does this over on Cheeky Crypto. Go check that out. Support and resistance levels. Altcoins break through key resistance levels, often signals bullish potential. Volume increases, rising trading volume usually confirms the price movements and indicates growing demand, moving averages, and so on. There's quite a lot to sort of delve into, right? But technical analysis is another really fundamental part of indicators that demonstrate whether an altcoin is going to print a lot of gains in the future. We've got on-chain metrics, network activity, growing daily active addresses and transaction counts often correlate with price increases. Whale activity, significant accumulation by large holders in brackets whales, often precedes big price movements. And then supply distribution, a decrease in supply on exchanges indicates less selling pressure, which drives prices up. So again, really important to highlight that. Another crucial one is development activity. GitHub commits regular development activity indicates a project is actively improving. And again, very, very important, right? New partnerships. Do they have lots of partnerships? I talk about Chainlink, how integrated it is. Again, very, very important. Obviously, we've got the tokenomics, and I'm going to put that to one side for this video. We all kind of know Cardano is one of the most, well distributed and decentralized network out there, right? So fundamental news and events, mainnet launches, upgrades, exchange listings. Again, not really one relevant for Cardano that's already listed pretty much everywhere, just had the hard fork. Again, showing that improvement. But, I think we need to actually look at some of these indicators and see where Cardano actually sits against some of these indicators. And that is something that I really did want to demonstrate to you today. So volume was one, and this is a coin market cap website here that shows you the 24-hour volume currency, again, just in USD. Now, if we go down to Cardano, like we're really just looking to see that it's positive, right? We've had a lot of FUD recently for Cardano. It's ranked 25th, an increase of 0.37 on the volume, right? And again, these are the sorts of indicators that we want to be checking. It's positive, right? I just want to put that out there. It's positive. And again, that was one of the indicators that I highlighted. Cardano surpasses 6 billion in daily transactions, an increase in transactional volume. It actually did better than Tron, Dogecoin, and XRP recently. So again, really, really positive. We want to have a look at the sentiment, right? We've talked about sentiment. We've talked about social media mentions and so on. Now, Cardano is getting a lot of mentions, particularly around what have we got? If we scroll down, here we go, around cryptocurrency migration, cross-chain bridges, and market performance. Lots of talk around here. You know, you've got the AGIX, the token, ASI, if I can get my words out, the Singularity, Net, Fetch, and Ocean, AI, I guess, merger is the best way to describe it. Again, just, in there as common things that are mentioned. But if we actually go up to the top here and we look here, third, positive sentiment 63.03, neutral sentiment 15.97, and then negative sentiment is 21. If we have a look at BTC, 49% positive, that's less than Cardano. If we have a look at 18 neutral, again more neutral, and then 32.68 negative. That's actually more than ADA. If we have a look at Solana, positivity 73.47, negative 16. It's actually quite comparable to Cardano from a sentiment point of view. And these are things that are really important to look at, right? This is not me just saying it. This is what is actually being illustrated as very important indicators for whether a project's going to print really big gains in the upcoming bull market. So we want to be paying attention to this stuff. Now, again, like we've got another site here. We scroll down. I think ADA's quite low on this one. I think it's like 30 something. There we go, 32 Cardano ADA. Again, we're just looking across here, and this is the number of DApps. And look, this is DApps here, and then you've got contracts. So Cardano is quite low down on this list. Now, I don't necessarily think that this is a bad thing. You've got 59 DApps, 132 contracts. Now, the way I look at this is actually it's low down there. There's a lot of room for improvement, and I think that recent hard forks definitely going to help with DeFi, smart contracts, and executions and stuff like that. So I think that Cardano has room to grow, and I think that is part of the reason why I think it's going to do really well. But I would be keeping an eye on this, because I did highlight in a recent video that I had concerns about the lack of developer activity, a lack of new DApps being built, and so on. So check out the last few videos. Definitely worth digging into those. But this is something that we want to be keeping an eye on, right? And I'm going to list these websites in the description of the video, and I will also have them in our Discord for you to have a look through as well. Another one of the key indicators that illustrates whether a project's going to see tremendous gains in the upcoming bull run is the number of commits, the amount of work that is happening on the ecosystem. And Cardano is ranked second by number of commits, only beaten by ICP, Internet Computer. Internet Computer has 397 commits, whereas Cardano has 312. This is over the last month. Cardano's is up 4.9% in the past 1 month. Actually, if you look at it year to date, so over the last year, Cardano is ranked third with 20,227 commits, with only Ethereum and ICP above. So look, these indicate that Cardano should, if based on the indicators historically being as accurate as they have been, Cardano should print some tremendous gains. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. But I think Cardano will shock so many people because there's lots of negativity, and it is one of the most accumulated altcoins over the past 12 months. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.